Welcome to today's lesson on place value through the hundred thousands. Today you're going to learn what place value means, and you're going to learn how to find the place values all the way up to the hundred thousands place. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's begin today by reviewing what place value means. We are going to start by looking at the number 5,673. So this number has 4 different place values. Each number is in a certain place value and has a certain value. For example, the number 3 is in the ones place. And this means that we have 3 ones, so it has a value of 3 wholes. The number 7 is in the tens place. That means we have 10 sevens. So 10 times 7 equals 70. Which means that this number has a value of 70. The 6 is in the hundreds place. So this means that this number has a value of 6 hundreds. 6 times 100 equals 600. And lastly, we have a 5 in the thousands place. So this means that we have 5 thousands. So 5 times 1,000 equals 5,000. So now you can see that the number 5,673 is equal to 5,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 3. And actually you'll notice as you say the number 5,673, you are saying the value of each place value as you say each number. Let's take a moment to review each of our place values up to the hundred thousands place. We have the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place. This comma represents the thousand, so we have the thousands place, 10,000s, and 100,000s place. Now that we have reviewed place value, I'm going to give you a practice problem, and I want you to write what this number would be. For example, we have 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 9. Now this is the expanded form of this number. How would you write this number using place values? Well, we know that in the 10,000s place, we're going to have a 6. And in the thousands place, we're going to have a 7. So we're going to start with 67,000. In the hundreds place, we need an 8. In the tens place, we need a 7. And in the ones place, we need a 9. So we can say this number as 67,879. Let's try another practice problem. This time, you're going to use this text and change it into a number. So you have 6,352. That means that we have to have a 6 in the thousands place. So we're going to start with a 6 in the thousands place, a 3 in the hundreds place, a 5 in the tens place, and a 2 in the ones place. So now you've changed this text into a number. Are you ready to try another? We have 97,324. I want you to expand this number, writing out each place value, just like you see in this problem above. Let's go ahead and begin. We have a 9 in the 10,000s place, so that means that we have 9 times 10,000, which will be 90,000. Plus a 7 in the thousands place, so we're going to add 7,000. Plus a 3 in the hundreds place, so we're adding 300. Plus a 2 in the tens place, so that's 2 tens. 2 times 10 equals 20. Plus a 4 in the ones place. Great work! Let's try one more problem together. This time, The tens place is going to be increasing each number. Can you fill in the rest of the pattern? We have 245, and if we're increasing our tens place by 1, our next number is going to be 255. Again, we're increasing our tens place by 1, so we have 265. And then our next pattern will be 275. And as you can see, our tens place is going up one number each time. Let's review what you've learned in today's lesson. We discussed place value up to the hundred thousands place. We have the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place. This comma represents 1,000, so we have the thousands place, the 10,000s place, and then the 100,000s place. We also discussed that each number represents a certain amount. So if we have 5 in the ones place, we have 5 ones. If we have a 2 in the tens place, it represents 2 tens, or a value of 20. If we have a 3 in the hundreds place, it equals 3 hundreds. If we have a 4 in the thousands place, it will equal 4 thousands. If we have a 5 in the 10,000s place, then we have 50,000. And lastly, if we have a 6 in the 100,000s place, it has a value of 600,000.